Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $3.5950. Okay, a swing has formed at this particular level, so chances can be high that if the price keep moving above a level of 3.6, which I have already explained you, chances will be high it will cross this particular level, and from there it will move above a level of $4. Suppose the price moving above $4, we can see the price can go towards a level of 4.2 and then to a level of $4.55. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see was 4.6 and then from there a level of 4.9 also. But if the price didn't sustain this level, it can move towards a level of 3.22. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 2.7 and from there a level of $2.3. Okay, but if you look at this trend, as soon as the price started going below this level, a further fall we can see towards $2. Okay, chances are very high that if it's sustained above $4, it can move towards 4.0 and then a further upside also we can see. Okay, see, the natural gas price depends on a lot of factors. Okay, if you look at the dollar index plays an important role. So when the dollar index started going upside, we see the natural gas price comes down, and when dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price goes up. Okay, this is what we have seen generally, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. So whenever you start your trade, to reduce the uncertainty, put your SL, and once you in profit, try to trail the SL so your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. If you keep doing this, you can save a profit also and can make your capital and can increase in the time. So let's see how the dollar index is moving. If you look at the dollar index, the dollar index now trading at towards a level of 100.9. It is already above a level of 100, which is a strong support. Okay, so if the price sustain above this level, we have seen there is a continuous rise in the dollar index and there is a pattern is formed. Okay, so if the price fall below a level of around $99.9, there is a chance that we can see the price of dollar index can go down, and if the price started going below this level, it can move below a level of 99, then it can touch a level of $97.9. So chances of going further low we can see, and then there will be a probability of going towards 97.4 to a level of $96.8. Okay, but suppose if it started sustaining this level, it can touch a level of $102.1 and from there a level of 102.7, and if the price moving over this level, probability of touching 103.8 we can see, and then a further upside towards 104.8. Suppose if the price moving over this level, a further upside we can see. Coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see as neither dollar indexed and natural gas are inversely related to each other. So let's see how the dollar index is moving and natural gas price is moving. If natural gas price didn't sustain this level, a very close support we can see coming at a level of 3.53 and from there a level of $3.31. If the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 2.98 we can see. Okay, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it will fall further down towards $2.68 to a level of 2.44. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see it will move towards a level of $2.11 and then a further low. Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, it can further fall towards a level of $3.320 and from there it can fall towards a level of $3. Okay, and once the price falling below this level, there is a chance that it can fall below a level of 2.6 and then a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.45. Okay, so you have to understand this smaller pattern is creating a downside if it started going below 3.4 and then it can move towards 3.1 and chances of falling below $3 we can see. But if it started forming a swing, what we can see, suppose if it started forming a swing, it can touch a level of 3.7 and from there it will move above a level of 3.99 and that level is already being tested, so we can see the price will go further upside and it will touch a level of around $4. So if the price sustaining above $4, there is a chances of touching a level of $4.28, and if it started going up this level, probability of going towards 4.21 we can see, and then a further upside will be there. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.